Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Monique, and in today's video I have a luxury haul for you guys. It's pretty much items that I've recently purchased for my birthday, which was last month, and I thought it would be a good idea to show you guys and kind of talk you guys through them. I know there will be some few interesting pieces in here that you guys would be really interested in. But before we get started, of course, don't forget to give me a follow over on Instagram. I share a lot of some of these pieces that I'll be showing you guys today, as well as outfit inspo for you guys to catch up on if you haven't seen it already. And of course, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Let's get started. Okay, so first up, I'm going to start with the piece that I think you guys would probably be most interested in, and we're just going to have a chit chat. This video has pretty much no structure, so we're going to chit chat and I'm just going to talk you through the items that I got. So first up, I absolutely love the way that this brand packages any purchases you make, especially because the items are so expensive. You just basically don't want to be robbed, okay? Walking the street with this and it's you're asking for it. So it's so good that they've packaged it this way. But the first one is Cartier. So I recently went to Cartier around early January, probably about 4 or 5 days after New Year's, and which is around the time that my birthday is, and I have been wanting this item for like ever. So yeah, I'm really pleased to be able to have this, but also share this with you guys and just kind of share the process. So if you've got a good eye and you have seen my recent vlog, or you've probably seen a few posts on my Instagram, then you'd probably already seen what this is. This is, as I said, this is something that I've wanted for a very long time, and I'm very much interested in very particular types of jewelry. I am very much a gold wearing girl. I very much wear either solid gold or gold vermeil. It's pretty much what I stick to, and I think it's just perfect because it's long lasting. So this is the box. I just think it's stunning. I absolutely love Cartier packaging, like through and through. I just think that this color is just so rich, so vibrant. Oh, it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So of course, this item comes in this box as so. And then at the front here, you have a little flap, and then it opens up for you to slide this box out. So for example, if you wanted to just have the box on your table dresser, it's really easy to kind of just slide the box out and then take it out from there. And how cute is the box? So you literally just need to press this popper at the front, and then it opens up like so. And of course, I got the Cartier Love Band ring, which I think is absolutely stunning. I actually had to take this off with my finger and pop it back in here just so you guys could have the full-on unboxing and kind of review experience. But I just absolutely love it. Just everything about it, the packaging, the ring itself, it's just so pretty, so classic. Speaking of classic, I picked this first just because the ring itself is a classic piece from Cartier, and it just made sense. It honestly just made sense. It is not only just the most classic with the history that it holds, but also it was the most, I'd say, affordable piece out of the entire Cartier collection. So yeah, it just made sense that this was the first piece that I basically picked up. There are a number, probably about 2 to 4 pieces that I would love to have in the future. I think next up, we're probably gonna go for the Just on Clue bracelet, which I tried on in store, and I had to take that thing off very quickly. Otherwise, it was gonna be a case where I ended up getting that as well and walked out the store with that. So yeah, this is absolutely a gem. Absolutely love it. So I actually went into store in December, just before Christmas. Because what I wanted was a full-on process, and I wanted it to be a process for my birthday. So I went into the store and just tried on different sizes of rings just to make sure I got the right ring size. I then put a deposit down on that, which if you've seen the Christmas vlog, which I'll link, then you definitely would have seen that process, or you're most welcome to watch it by clicking the link above. So yeah, so I went into the store, tried on different ring sizes, made sure I kind of was happy with the one that I had chosen, and then basically put a deposit down so that I could hold it. Because my birthday is pretty much just after New Year's, I wanted to feel the experience of purchasing the ring on my actual birthday or during my actual birthday week. So I didn't want to purchase it just before Christmas because that would kind of ruin the experience. But I also didn't want to end up going to the store just after New Year's, whilst it's been a busy Christmas period and busy New Year period where my ring size could potentially sell out. So the best thing to do if you are in that kind of predicament, definitely put a deposit down, and that would hold your ring size in the store until you're ready to basically go into the store on a specific day and purchase it. So that's what I did. The day that I picked up my ring, I went with my best friend. It was honestly one of the best experiences ever. The SA there was so lovely. He was so kind. He didn't rush us at all. We went through the process. He made it extra special, and he even gave me a bottle of shampoos for the day, which I thought was really nice. Really cute gift. Now I don't know if you actually get this anytime you purchase a Cartier piece, or whether it was just given to me because it was a special occasion, but either way it just made the day pretty much extra special. So I absolutely loved it. But yes, this is the ring. Absolutely beautiful. I will show you guys the process of me going into store as well and trying it on and speaking to my SA. It was very important that I kind of got the right ring size because I have really slim fingers and my fingers get very cold very easily. And the worst thing that could possibly happen when you have a ring this expensive is if you're quickly doing things, your hands are flying about or whatever, and the ring just flies off. That's it, gone forever, done, dusted, KO, finished. Just the worst possible scenario that could ever happen. So that was my biggest concern, is just making sure that I picked out the right ring size. And thank God that I went on the day straight after my birthday to try that size that I had put down a deposit for again, because lo and behold, obviously you're depending on the weather, your fingers swell up or they remain a specific size. And I'm so glad I tried it on again, because I actually went a size down once I went into the store. So if you're ever buying jewelry from Cartier, you really want to make sure you're buying the right size and going for the piece that you exactly want, that is going to be right for you. But I absolutely love this ring. I have pretty much been wearing this every day, which is another factor of why I am choosing to invest in quality solid gold pieces or gold vermeil jewelry, because they're pieces that you'll have for a lifetime, pieces that you can wear pretty much every day with every style of clothing that you have. You can run it underwater, you can go swimming in it, you can take a shower in it, take a bath, etc., and you don't have to worry about tarnishing at all. The only thing, of course, which is completely unavoidable, are the scratches that you're going to get on there, but you can always get it polished or buy a specific polishing cloth to kind of reduce the amount of scratches that you have on the ring. But I mean, this is an absolute amazing purchase. I'm so glad I have it, and I'm so glad to be sharing it with you guys, because this is definitely one of my dream jewelry purchases. Hopefully there is more to come, but that's that. Before we move on to the next purchase, and I actually forget to mention, this love ring I got in the smaller size. I very much like dainty jewelry. All my rings are small because I feel like it just fits better. I have really thin, small fingers, as I said previously. So I feel like smaller, delicate rings look a lot more flattering than thick, chunky ones. I did actually try on the thicker band, which is the original, I believe, and it just weren't it, guys. So yeah, I definitely went for the smaller one, and I think it works absolutely perfectly. Next up is another purchase that I have been dying to get my hands on. I saw this bag probably first when I was about 16 years old, and I've wanted it ever since. I can't even believe that I was able to purchase this. I basically purchased this item when I went to Bicester Village with my mum. This was probably around, I want to say last year, sort of like end of summer, early autumn time. And I felt like this is a good one to include because I actually wanted to pick this up for my birthday, which was last month. And obviously I have been wearing it pretty much every single day since I purchased it. So we've got at least about 4 or 5 months solid of review that I can give you guys. So of course it is from Balenciaga, and it is the Balenciaga City Bag. so chuffed that I have this, absolutely chuffed. This is one of the most gorgeous bags in my entire collection. I'm so pleased I've got this. It's probably actually my favorite bag. I wear this every single day pretty much without fail. I take it to work with me Monday to Friday. I go food shopping with it. Like, it is one of the best bags ever. It's so durable. There's just so many good points. So many good points. I really feel like this is one of the most worth it designer luxury bags that you can purchase and have in your collection. Like, honestly, if I was to recommend any bag at all, it would be this, because it's so easy to wear, so easy to style. You can have it during the day as an everyday wear bag, but you can also dress this up at night. Of course, depending on what you're wearing, but it's so durable. The leather is incredible. It's a very soft, casual, like relaxed type of leather. I can't actually remember this specific leather that is on this bag. I will actually do a full review of this bag because it deserves it. Like, honestly, it really does. It's just so hard wearing. I'm so impressed with it. I absolutely love it. I mean, I've been to Bicester Village in the UK, which for some of you who may not know, it is basically a designer outlet store. So you can find things from various different designer shops that are discounted at a very good price. A lot of the styles that you would come across, they're never usually classic because those are the things that don't get shipped over there. And so I never expected this bag to ever be there, let alone in this color. Whenever I did go into the store, which was a number of times, I always came across a really bright color that I didn't want, or a beige that I wasn't interested. I never ever came across black. And I took my mum to Bicester. It was a random trip. We had such a good day, and I randomly came across this. I had no intention of spending this much money on a bag at all. No intent. I thought I was going to go there, pick up my, regular makeup stuff, candles at the Rituals shop, do a little bit of shopping here and there, maybe spend about £100 or £200. And I ended up spending just under £1,000 on this bag, but honestly, it is so worth it. I do not regret this decision at all, at all. Yeah, just brilliant. So I'm going to take you through the bag quickly. Of course, you can see plenty of hardware, which is really long lasting. On the bag handles itself, you have sort of like a rope stitching, which it weaves into the bag itself. And then you've got a zip closure, which is the main zip closure. I love the fact that it has these flaps. You can actually fold this into the bag if you wanted maybe sort of like a neater version to it. But otherwise, I just love the way that it looks. It just makes the bag look that extra bit more casual. But this bag, the design itself pretty much resembles like a leather jacket. It's very much your city bag. It's definitely giving, rock and roll. But I just love the bag design. This is the back. So the back, of course, is a little bit more plain. It's got the hardware over here with the straps. And it also comes with a longer strap. So you can actually have this or wear this bag in various different ways, which is another reason why I picked it, because I love to buy bags that have and give you a lot of versatility. I don't like to be restricted in just having one way of wearing it. So absolutely love that. I am 5'5", and this strap is actually quite long, and it sits probably the same area as my butt, which isn't 100% ideal for me. I would probably prefer it to sit just on the hip, but it's perfectly fine. It's not a deal breaker. And I absolutely love the fact that the strap itself comes with sort of like a band, which gives extra support to holding it. So inside the bag, you guys don't understand. The amount of stuff that fits in this bag is insane. In this bag, I've packed it with basically my everyday essentials and some extra bits, just so you guys can get a good idea of how much fits. And it's got a lot of stuff in here already, and yeah, there's still plenty of room to go. So, face mask we've got in there. I just stuffed this in here just to show you guys the amount of room. This is a canvas bag, just random. I have got a full water bottle. We've got hand sanitizer, glasses case, umbrella, cream, card reader, compact mirror, my card holder, and house keys. I mean, it's just full of stuff, and there's still plenty of room to go. You also have in front of this bag a little tiny pocket, which is actually quite spacious. I mean, half of my hand gets in there, which is pretty great. I usually put things like coins in there, just random, paracetamol, little perfumes. At the moment, I've got a mixture of stuff. I've got probably about 4 of these in there. I've also got a toothpick. What else? And yeah, just paracetamol stuff. But yeah, I mean, this bag is just incredible. It fits so much. It's so durable. It's absolutely worth it. I think this bag costs about, last time I looked, it's about £1,525, and I managed to pick this up, I think, for about £9.90, which isn't, I mean, come on. Who wouldn't? Absolute steal. So that was my birthday purchase that I managed to pick up very early, thanks to it being in Bicester Village. So absolutely pleased with that. I think if I do get another one, it would definitely be a smaller version, maybe a mini in a grey colour. The grey actually looks really, really nice. So yeah, that's that Balenciaga City bag. This is also a bag that I have seen trending at the moment. I reckon this is going to be quite big this year. I'd say I started seeing this a lot on Instagram on a lot of influencers, probably from around November time. So yeah, if you're interested, get into it. Okay, so the last item that I have to show you guys is from Chanel. Now this is an absolutely very random purchase, but turns out to be quite necessary. So I picked this item up in Harrods around Christmas time, maybe just before Christmas. I was very much in the birthday mood. I just felt that since we had the whole lockdown experience for a good 2 years and I didn't get to celebrate my birthday, I was just like on it, ready to celebrate in any way possible. So I went into the Chanel beauty store in Harrods and I picked this up, and it is a little compact mirror. Some of you are gonna be like, seriously? You can just use your iPhone. Why would you need a compact mirror? But you know, some of us are a lady, and every lady needs a compact mirror. Why not be Chanel, I suppose? So yeah, this actually was quite not expensive in my opinion. Yeah, a reasonable price for a Chanel compact mirror. But it's very simple. So you get the mirror itself, and then you also have a magnified version at the bottom, which I think is very, very handy. I have actually started using this for the past month, and I actually prefer a compact mirror to the iPhone. It's just not the same, guys. It really is not. So yeah, I absolutely love this. I think this is a great essential to add to my bag, especially when I finally am able to purchase my own Chanel handbag. I think this would go fantastically well, being in that. But yeah, just a little something that I thought would be quite cute and special and ideal to have, you know, as a classy lady growing up into a full adult. It just makes sense. So yeah, that is everything for today, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing my birthday luxury haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed these pieces. Hopefully this gives you a little bit more of an idea, or gives you a little bit more confidence if you perhaps are interested in purchasing the Cartier ring, the Balenciaga City bag, and a Chanel compact mirror. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please do give this video a thumbs up and hit up the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.